You won't believe this. We've built something amazing just for you. Come check this. So, with our brand new product, which is big, it's called DigiNew Cashback. You get the second most expensive meal that you place, and you place that claim on our platform at participating stores nationwide. You get up to 120 Rand cashback paid into your account. Come check this. So, we've ordered a chicken schnitzel and a natto snitch. So this is a chicken schnitzel. The second most expensive one is 119 Rand 90. We're going to get that. I'm going to place a claim for that now on DigiNew Cashback, which means I'm going to get that cash back, paid back into my account. So it's very simple. Come check this. Let me show you how easy it is. So I'm going to search for that particular spur. Then there we go. I'm going to click on Start Claim. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to enter my cell phone number and then the time and date. Then the receipt total was 333 Rand 60, of which we get 120 Rand back because there's 2 meals and 2 drinks. So it's very simple. Now I'm going to take a photo of the slippy. Okay, go like that. Take photo. Use photo, and done.
Simple yet effective, you see?
Yummy.
That's it.
So if you too want to be able to benefit from this incredible product that we've launched, simply comment info in the comment section below and I'll send you all the details.